We want to find the product of 79 and 80, which means we want to multiply 79 and 80. And we'll show this product two ways. We'll first multiply vertically, so we'll write this as 79 times 80. Now here, because we're multiplying by 80, which is a multiple of 10, we're going to have a 0 in the ones place value. And now that we have a 0 in the ones, we can just multiply it by 8. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. So we'll put a 2 in the tens place value, and we'll place the 7 above the 7 in the tens place value. Now the reason we do this is because when we multiply the 8 and the 9, because the 8 is in the tens place value, this is really 80 times 9, which is equal to 720. So again, notice how we have a 0 in the ones, a 2 in the tens, and the 7 really represents 700ths, which we'll need for the next product. So next we multiply 8 and 7, which is 56, but then we add the 7. 56 plus 7 is equal to 63, and we have our product. Our product is 6,320. To better understand what's happening here, when we multiply the 8 and the 7, it's really 80 times 70, because these are both in the tens place value. 80 times 70 is equal to 5,600, and then we add the 7, which is really 700. 5,600 plus 700 is 6,300, which is the reason why we have a 3 in the hundreds and a 6 in the thousands. Another way to show this product would be to use the area model, where if we find the area of a rectangle with dimensions 79 units by 80 units, this will also give us the product of 79 and 80. So using this rectangle here, let's let this length be equal to 79 units. So we'll let this first length be 70 units, and this short length be 9 units. And then we'll let this side here have a length of 80 units. By determining the area of these two rectangles, we can find this product. We'll notice how this large rectangle has dimensions 70 units by 80 units, and therefore the area is equal to 70 times 80, which is equal to 5,600. And then the area of this rectangle here, with dimensions 9 units by 80 units, would be equal to 9 times 80, which is equal to 720. So the total area of a 79 by 80 unit rectangle would be 5,600 plus 720. Adding, we get a 0 in the ones, a 2 in the tens. In the hundreds, we have 6 plus 7, that's 13. So we put a 3 in the hundreds and a 1 in the thousands, and 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have the same product, 6,320. So here are just two ways to find the product of 79 and 80. I hope you found this helpful.